infectious are COVID-19 particles when they're circulating in the air? Understanding that is a challenge facing scientists all over the world as they try to learn more about how the virus is transmitted. A team at the University of Bristol is using groundbreaking technology to examine the smallest droplets as they float through the atmosphere. John Kay has been to see their work.
It's one of the biggest questions we face right now. How long does COVID-19 stay infectious in the air, whether we're at work, on public transport or socialising? At a secret location, scientists from the University of Bristol are trying to find the answer. We were given exclusive access as they made their final preparations at this sealed laboratory. They're now taking samples containing the coronavirus, placing them in this unique bit of kit and using an electric field levitating the tiny droplets, making them hang around in the air for minutes or hours at a time, just as they would in the real world. Then, by adjusting the temperature, humidity and light, they can find out what impact those conditions have on the infectiousness of the virus.
We're trying to directly mimic the type of particles that are produced by people when they're coughing, breathing, these kind of things, and then see how long the virus remains infectious in the aerosol phase.
These are the first images from the COVID experiments. 6 microscopic droplets suspended in the air. This project is about studying the smallest airborne particles, those that are invisible to the naked eye.
We can look at how the virus remains infectious.
The man in charge told me the research could be particularly useful as we head into winter, spending more time indoors. How does this help us understand how COVID could be spread in a pub or an office or a factory?
Well, I think it helps us better understand the survival of the virus. We're particularly concerned in terms of airborne transmission in poorly ventilated spaces, spaces where people might be talking very loud, they might even be singing, where they're generating a lot of these very small inhalable aerosol particles.
This research is set to last a year, with the first results before Christmas. The scientists hope it will add to our wider understanding of the risks we face and the changes we may still need to make. John Kay, BBC News, Bristol.